Namaste and a very warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to explain the entire chapter, The Ant and the Cricket, to all of you. So, before starting the poem, I have already told all of you what a fable is, since this poem is considered to be a famous fable, right? A fable means a poem which has a story, which consists of a story, often with animals as characters, that conveys a moral. This poem about an ant and a cricket contains an idea of far reaching significance, which means the poet, through this poem, tries to reflect upon the various incidents that take place in human lives every single day, how we behave, how we act upon different circumstances. The poem tells us the story of a careless cricket who was busy in singing only and never thought and did anything for his future because he was too much indulged into enjoyment. And at the same time, it describes an ant who was very sincere to his work and thought and did all his hard work only for the sake of future. The ant lived with self-respect even in harsh times and conditions that it was put into, whereas the cricket had to beg and could not survive the harsh hour of his life. Why? Because he was not ready to work hard to earn something in his life, isn't it? So this poem, The Ant and the Cricket, it is a fable in poetic form. Now I have already told you what a fable is. So the silly young cricket, he was only singing all day long and used to enjoy his good times during summer season. He did not plan anything at all for the future. When winter arrived, cricket could not find a small amount of food even to eat. So the cricket thought of going to the ant to borrow food from him and to get shelter. Hence, the cricket knocked at the ant's door asking for help. Now, the ant here is reflected as a very miser person, but in reality, he was a very hard-working person indeed, wasn't he? Because he worked so hard for the entire summer season just to save some food for his harsh times, that was during the winter season. The ant, during its conversation with the cricket, gives a very important lesson for lifetime. It says that the ants neither borrow from somebody nor lend anything to somebody. They are very hardworking creatures, and that is why they save for the future. The ant asked the cricket what it was doing during the happier times, that was during the season of summer, which was warm and bright. On hearing the question, the cricket answered that he was indulged in dancing and singing and making merry. That means he was too busy enjoying the warm summer season. On listening to his reply, the ant asked the cricket to try dancing and singing one more time during this rough hour of need, because according to the ant, if he had spent his entire summer season just enjoying by himself, at this hour of need, which was during the harsh winter season, he should also do the same. Now, this is actually what happens to every human being, that every human being who is not ready to work hard, isn't it? From this poem, we observe and understand that happy moments in every human life is very important. It is important indeed, but for the sake of enjoying just those happy moments, we should never ignore our future. In order to secure our future, it is essential for everyone to plan very carefully, isn't it? If we don't work hard when it is required, at the hour of need, when we will be helpless, it will become very difficult for us to survive. It will not be possible for us at all to survive if we don't work hard when it is needed the most. So, apart from enjoying the happy moments, it is equally essential for us to prepare ourselves for the hours full of sorrow. This is the moral that we get through the poem, and this is exactly what the poet reflects upon. I hope whatever I have discussed in the video, it will help you to understand the poem a little bit better. And that is all for today. Thank you.